Want to make your own stickers on iPhone? Here's one of the easiest and fastest way to do it. Now you guys know there are a couple of ways to make stickers on iPhone, but here is the easiest one. First, let's open the Messages app and start a conversation with someone. Now tap the plus icon next to the text box. Then choose Stickers from the list. Here you'll see your existing stickers. If you haven't created any yet, you'll see New Sticker. Tap New Sticker and you'll be taken to your photos. Now choose the photo you want to turn into a sticker. Keep in mind that the photo should have a clear subject or object that your iPhone can easily separate from the background. For example, let's choose this photo. Wait a moment and you'll see your iPhone automatically detect the subject and outline it. Now simply tap Add Sticker and that's it. Let's do it one more time. Tap the plus icon, then tap the plus icon again to create a new sticker. Choose another photo, and once again, your iPhone will automatically detect the subject. Tap Add Sticker, and your new sticker is ready. Now, whenever you open your stickers, you'll find all the stickers you've created right here. And that's one of the easiest ways to make stickers on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family.